Now today my question is this. This is cos 2x, this is determinant, and fx attains its minimum at x is equal to 0. Fx attains its minimum, this is maximum at x is equal to 0. F dash x is equal to 0 at more than 3 points in this, exactly 3 points in minus pi to pi. So first of all, let me expand this, open this determinant, solve this determinant, that is cos 2x, this and this goal, cos square x minus minus plus sin square x, cos square x minus minus plus sin square x, and then minus cos 2x, and this gone, so this is minus cos square x minus cos square x, this gone, minus cos square x minus minus plus sin square x, and at last this is plus sin 2x, and this gone, so this is minus cos x sin x and minus cos x sin x. So now here this is cos 2x and this is 1, and this can be written as, if you take a minus common, so this will be plus cos 2x and cos square x minus sin square x, and here if you take a minus common, this will be minus sin 2x, and this is 2 sin x cos x. So here you see that this is cos 2x plus cos 2x, and this is cos 2x minus this is sin 2x, and 2 sin x, this is sin 2x. So here again cos 2x plus this is cos square 2x minus sin square 2x. So this becomes cos 2x plus cos 4x, 2 into 2x, that is 4x. So when I expanded it, I got this. Now we know that the maximum value of cos is 1. So at x is equal to 0. So at x is equal to 0, your maximum value is 1. So this is 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2. That means maximum value is your 2. Maximum value is your 2. Now let us go to f dash x. So this f dash x, this will be minus 2 sin 2x, and this will be minus 4 sin 4x. So now this is 0 because as per your question, so this comes out to be so this is minus 2 sin 2x minus 4, and this is sin 2 into 2x. So this will be 0 is equal to minus 2 sin 2x minus 4. This is 2 sin 2x into cos 2x. So now here this will be 0 is equal to minus 2 sin 2x is your common, 1 plus 4 cos 2x, this is your last result. So we get either sin 2x is equal to 0 or 1 plus 4 cos 2x is equal to 0. So this comes out to be cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is the result we have got. Now my interval is given, that is minus pi to pi. So let me draw the graph. So let me draw the graph. What result I get, let me see what when I draw the graph. So let me draw the graph. Let me draw the graph. For this sine y is equal to sine 2x, for y is equal to sine 2x, let me draw the graph. That is y is equal to sine 2x. The graph, this will be 0, pi by 4, then pi by 2, then your 3 pi by 2, and then pi. Similarly here, this will be minus pi by 4, minus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, minus, and then minus pi. Here this will be plus 1, and there will be minus 1, because maximum value is 1 and minus 1. So sine 0 is 0, pi by 4 means 1, that means goes like this, and then pi by 2, pi, that is 0, so it comes 0, 3 pi by 2, and that is again that is 3 pi minus 3 pi, this will be pi by if I take 3 pi by 4, pi by 2, then this comes to be 3 pi. So 90, and then 90. So let me take this pi by 4, pi by 4. So if you take pi by 4, that means 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, it is minus 1. So this comes out to be minus 1 here, and again 2 pi, that is 0. Similarly in this side, that is your minus pi by 4, that means minus 1. The graph will be somewhat like this, 1 maximum. Then in pi by 2, that is it is 0. So this will be, the graph will be like this. And here minus 3 pi by 4, that means 345 into 3. 45 into 3, 5 are 15. 3 for 135. So okay, this is between this. So here it will be minus 3 pi by 4, it is negative, minus 1 minus 1 plus 1. So this graph will be here 1, will be here 1, and then minus pi, it will be 0. So in the interval minus pi to pi, I get f your question was f dash x is equal to 0. So your 0 is 3 points, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 points where this is 0. Your f dash x is 0 in sine 2x. So sine 2x, this is equal to 0. Here you see sine 2x 0. So 2x is 0 at 3 points. There are 3 points. Here there are 3 points. 3 points where within the interval minus pi to pi, there are 3 points. This is pi. So there are 3 points where sine 2x is your 0. Now let me draw the graph of y is equal to cos 2x. So here y is equal to cos 2x and your y is equal to minus 1 by 4. So the cos 2x graph will be, let me draw the graph of cos 2x. This will be 0, then pi by 4, then pi by 2, then your 3 pi by 4, and here this is pi. Again here this will be same, minus pi by 4, pi by 2, and here 3 pi by 4. This is all minus, and here this will be minus pi. So when this is 1, because your maximum value is 1 and your minimum value is minus 1, so here when x is equal to 0, it starts from here, pi by 2 it will be 0, graph will go like this, and pi it is minus 1, so it will go like this, and again it will come to 0, and after that your 1. Similarly in this side also, this will be this will be minus 0 and minus pi, so this will be your in negative direction maximum minus 1, and here again 0, and this is your graph. So this is your graph. Y is equal to cos 2x and y is equal to minus 1 by 4, somewhere like here like this, minus 1 by 4 somewhere. So your graph will be this one, straight line. This will be a straight line graph. This will be a straight line graph. This will be a straight line graph. So this is equal, this graph is y is equal to minus 1 by 4. This will be a straight line graph. So here we see within the interval minus pi to pi, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 points where your f dash x is 0. There are 4 points where your f dash x is 0. So here there are 4 points. So all total we are going to get 7 points. All total we are going to get 7 points. So your option was that more than 3 points will be correct. So more than 3 points, that will be your correct answer. This will be your correct answer. So here you see this is the, here y is equal to cos 2x. This is your graph, and y is equal to minus, this is a straight line. This is a straight line. Y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Here it's somewhere it will be here minus 1 by 4. Somewhere it will be here minus 1 by 4. So this is a straight line. So 0 points are this 1, 2, 3, 4. So here there are 4 points and here there are 3 points. So ultimately there are 7 points. So your option will be more than 3 points, and another option will be maximum value will be 2. So this is how we solve this question. Now my next question is, this is fx is equal to x e to the power of x 1 minus x. Then f dash x is increasing, decreasing, increasing and decreasing. This is given to you. Now I am going to solve it. So here fx is equal to x e to the power of x 1 minus x. So now f dash x, so here we see that this is the product. We have to apply the product rule. So this will be d by dx, x e to the power of x 1 minus x plus your x d by dx, x is x minus x square. So here this will be e to the power of x 1 minus x and this will be x. So this will be e to the chain rule minus x square and 1 minus 2x. So now this is f dash x. So here your e to the power of x, e to the power of x 1 minus x is common. So we get here 1 plus this is x x minus 2x square. So now I am going to take minus common here. So e to the power of x 1 minus x, this will be 2x square minus x minus 1. Now if I factorize it, minus e to the power of x 1 minus x, so this will be 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1. So here again this will be minus e to the power of x 1 minus x, so 2x common, x minus 1 plus 1 x minus 1. So again minus e to the power of x 1 minus x, and this will be 2x plus 1 x minus 1. So now for decision, this will be the, to find the critical points, this will be the decision makers, because this will be anytime positive, it will be anytime positive. So this is the decision maker. So your critical points are x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and 1. So when I draw the number line here, you see number line plus infinity to minus infinity, minus 1 by 2, and here this is 1, plus minus plus. So here since this is minus, so we have to take, this is I'm going to see also the option given to me. So here since your f dash x it was minus, so this portion will be the increasing portion, this portion will be the increasing portion. So it is increasing in the interval minus 1 by 2 to 1, because here this is minus. Other if it was plus here, then I have taken plus plus this interval and this interval if this was plus, but since it is minus, so I have to take this minus region, which is the increasing region, because minus into minus it will be plus. So this is the increasing region. So your answer will be, this will be your answer. Now to solve this, my main key point will be this, that is integration of fx plus x f dash x dx, that is equal to x fx plus c. This is my key point to solve this question, that is fx plus x f dash x. This is my key point. So I have to arrange this in this form to solve the problem. So here you see that integration of 1 plus x minus 1 by x e to the power of x plus 1 by x dx. So this is e to the power of x plus 1 by x, and again dx plus this is x minus 1 by x e to the power of x plus 1 by x dx. This. Now here again e to the power of x plus 1 by x dx. If you take x common here, so if you take x common here, this will be x, this will be 1 minus 1 by x square e to the power of x plus 1 by x dx. You are going to get this. That means I can rewrite like this, in this form, this is the same form. Here you see that this is f dash x means your uh, if you see here this f dash x, so this is your fx, this is your fx. So if you differentiate it, what you are going to get, let me see. So when I differentiate it, e to the power of x plus 1 by x, here there will be chain rule, so this will be e to the power of x 1 by x and then 1 minus 1 by x square. So here you see that this is your f dash x. So now see this it satisfies this. So your answer will be x into fx. Fx is your e to the power of x plus 1 by x plus c. So this is your answer. So your option B is your answer. So such type of key points you must remember while solving it. This is an important key point for integration. And this is your answer. Now here you see, let P be a point on the parabola which is at a shortest distance from the center S of the circle this. So first of all, let me find out the center and radius of the circle. Plus y square minus 4x minus 16y plus 64 is equal to 0. So first of all, let me find out the center and the radius. So here x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square minus 2 square plus y square minus 2 into y into 8 plus 8 square minus 8 square plus 64 is equal to 0. So here you see this becomes x minus 2 the whole square, and this is y minus 8 the whole square. 64 cancel out, so this is minus 2 square is equal to 0. So x minus 2 the whole square plus y minus 8 the whole square is equal to 2 square. So from this we see that your center coordinate of the center is 2, 8 and your radius is 2. Now let me draw the graph. Your parabola, that is y square is equal to 4x. So y square is equal to 4x, your parabola. This is y square is equal to 4x. And the circle 2, 8, the circle will be somewhere like this, here. The circle will be here. And its center S and its coordinate is 2, 8. And the radius is your, now here it is given that the shortest distance from the center of the circle, let P be the point on the parabola which is at a shortest distance, means this is a point P in the parabola and this is the shortest distance SP. Now here shortest distance, so and let Q be a point on the circle. This point is Q. This point is Q. Point on the circle, dividing the line segment XP internally. Now, that means this is the shortest distance. That means here if you draw a tangent, this is the tangent. So here SP is perpendicular to the tangent. Your SP, this is the shortest distance which is perpendicular to the tangent. And we know the theory that any point P for this parabola y square is equal to 4ax. This is the story. This is the theory for any point. This y is equal to 4x. Any point P. This is at square comma 2at, where t is the parameter. T is the parameter. That is the parameter form. So your P point is at square comma 2at. This is where t is the parameter. So this is the any point. So here your parabola is y square is equal to 4 into 1 into x. So the P point will be t square comma 2t. So this point will be t square comma 2t. This is the point P here. This is your theory. This is your theory. And so according to this theory, this is the point P. Now this SP is perpendicular to the tangent, so shortest distance, so SP is the normal. So equation of this normal is, the theory for this equation of this normal, the theory is that is y is equal to minus tx plus 2at plus at square. This is your theory for equation of this normal, that is minus tx plus 2at plus at square. So here this is the equation of the so for this because your a is 1, so the equation of this normal will be equal to minus tx plus 2t plus t square. So t square. Now here according to this theory, the equation of the normal is minus tx plus 2at. No, this is not square, this is cube. So this will be cube. This is the theory, that is the equation of this normal, because here your a is your 1, because y is equal to y square is equal to 4x, so a is 1. So this is the equation of your normal. This is the equation of your normal. So now since your normal passes through this point, this center, this normal, it passes through this point, because we know that your the normal, it passes through this point. Normal passes through this point. So y is equal to 8. This normal, it passes through this point center. It passes through this point. So 8 is equal to minus t into 2 and plus 2t plus t cube. So here 8 is equal to t cube. So t is equal to 2. Your t comes out to be 2. So where t is 2, so here your point will be 4, 4. This is your coordinate of point P. So now I have got the coordinate of point P, and if we place the value of t here, so this will be minus 2x plus 4 and 2x plus 4 plus 8. So this will be y is equal to minus 2x plus 12. This will be minus 2x plus 12. So I have I have found out all these points, that is required values. That means I have found out the value of P, and then the center of this circle. Now I will move step by step. This is SP. I will move this step by step. Now I am going to move step by step. Here you see that. Here you see here that is the first is that your SP distance. Your SP distance will be SP distance, that is 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 4 minus 8 the whole square. So this comes out to be root over 2 square plus 4 square. So this is 4 plus 16. So this is 20. So this is equal to 2 root 20 to root 5. So your first A option, this is your correct. This your A option is correct. Now we know that this radius is 2. So for B option, let me go for B option. See your SQ, it is 2 because radius is 2, and the SP distance is 2 root 5. So your QP distance will be 2 root 5 minus 2, that is 2 common root 5 minus 1. Now we have to find out SQ is to QP. So your SQ by QP, this will be SQ, that is 2 by QP, that is 2 comma root 5 minus 1. Now I am going to rationalize it. When I rationalize this, root 5 plus 1 by this will be 5 minus 1, 4. So your ratio is root 5 plus 1 is to 2. So your this option is wrong. Now the x-intercept of the normal to the parabola is at P. So x-intercept, this is your equation of this normal. So x-intercept means, this is the equation of your normal. So x-intercept means y is your 0. So when y is your 0, so this will be, that means your normal equation is minus 2x plus 2. When I place the value of t is equal to 2, which I calculated it earlier, that when I place the value of t is equal to 2. So when I place the value of t is equal to 2, I got this 2x plus 12. So here your x-intercept, that means your y is your 0. So 0 is equal to minus 2x plus 12. So x comes out to be 6. So your C option is correct. Now a slope of this tangent, slope of this, let me calculate the slope of this normal, that means your D option. Let me calculate the slope of this tangent. So when I calculate the slope of this tangent, because I got the value of t is equal to 2, you have seen in the calculation too, because this normal passes through this center. So when I place the value of x and y, this is 8, 2 minus 2 cancels out, so t cube is equal to 8, so t is equal to 2, so t comes out to be 2. And when I place the value of t here, the equation of this normal, this, so your x-intercept, that means y is 0, so x is equal to 0, that is, it is correct. Now to find the slope of this tangent, first of all I am going to find out the slope of SP, that is slope of SP. Your slope of SP will be y2 minus y1, that is 4 minus 8 by 4 minus 2. So this is minus 4 by 2, this is minus 2. Let me take it to be m1. So m1 into m2, that is equal to minus 1. So here minus 2 into m2 is equal to minus 1. So m2 is equal to 1 by 2. So slope of your tangent is 1 by 2. So this option is also correct. Now this is the solution of this equation. Now my next question is, here you have such that this is your function, there one f function and g function, and they are twice differentiable functions such that f double dash and g double dash are continuous function on R real number. And suppose f dash 2 is equal to g2 is equal to 0, and f double dash 2 not equal to 0, and g dash 2 is not equal to 0. If limit this, and then f has a local minimum, these are the options given to you. So now how to solve it. So here this is a limit x tends to 2, this is fx gx by f dash x g dash x equal to 1. Now to solve this, I am going to apply L'Hospital's rule, your L'Hospital's rule. I'm going to L'Hospital's rule. So according to it, I have to differentiate the numerator as well as the denominator. So here this will be limit x tends to 2, this is the product rule, f dash x gx plus g dash x fx, and here this will be f double dash x g dash x plus f dash x and g double dash x, and this is equal to 1. So here you see that when 2, so this will be f dash 2 g2 plus g dash 2 f2. Now here this will be f double dash 2 g dash 2 plus f dash 2 g double dash 2 equal to 1. So here you see that f dash 2, this value is 0, so this value is 0, so here g dash 2 by f2 g dash 2 by this into f2 by, now here again f dash 2 is your 0, so f double dash 2 g dash 2 is equal to 1. This and this cancels out, so f2 by f double dash 2 is equal to 1. So here you see that f2 is equal to f double dash 2, so f2 minus f double dash 2 is equal to 0. So your D option is correct, at least for one value of x belongs to real number. So your D option, it is correct. D option, it is D option is true. D option is true. This option is true for any for at least one x belongs to R. Here x is 2. So your this option is D option is true. Now we know that your this f such that R here we see that our codomain is open interval 0, this it is positive, so your fx is greater than 0, so therefore your f2, because 2 lies in this interval, f2 is greater than 0, because here you see your codomain, your fx, that means y, value of y, it is positive, so it is greater than 0, so 2 comes in this interval, so this is also 0. So your f double we have got that f2 minus f double dash 2 is equal to 0, that means f2 is equal to f double dash 2. So since your f2 is greater than 0, so your f double dash 2 is greater than 0, so it has a great local minimum at x is equal to 2. So f has a local minimum, so it has a local minimum at x is equal to 2. So this is your answer of these questions. There are two options correct, this one and this one. These two options are correct. Now my next question is this one. Your f r to r be a differentiable function. These are the condition. Now let me solve this. So here x pi by 2, this is f dash t cosec t minus cot t cosec t ft dt. So this will be x to pi by 2 f dash t cosec t dt minus pi by 2 cot t cosec t ft dt. I am going to keep this as it is, only I am going to expand this, and this is a partial fraction. This is ILAT, so LAT. So here your this is cosec t. So function f dash t. So here I am going to apply the partial this by parts rule. I'm going to expand this by parts. So I am going to take this cosec t as first function x to pi by 2 f dash t dt f dash t dt minus this x to pi by 2 differentiation of cosec t, and then integration of f dash t dt curly bracket dt. Now one thing is that here you may think that if by partial fraction I have to follow this rule. I have to follow this rule. No doubt I have to follow this rule. But here in this question, see, if I take f dash t as the first function, then again a problem will be created here. Differentiation of f dash t will be f double dash t. So here nothing is given about f double dash t. We know only f dash 0 at x is equal to 0. So this creates a problem. So such type of presence of mind you have to apply while solving this such type of question, because if we apply this, give this as the first function, the main problem will be created. Again here there will be f double dash t and you will be unable to solve it. But now here you see, if you take this as the first function, then it will be easy for you to solve it. So because the integration of f dash t, so if you differentiate this fx, you are going to get f dash x. So your fx is your answer. So here this will be ft cosec t, so x to pi by 2, and this x pi by 2 differentiation of cosec x t, this will be minus cosec t cot t minus this will be plus. So this will be cosec t cot t, and integration of this will be fx dx, and this part will be attached to it. So this is minus x to pi by 2 cot t cosec t ft dt. So here you see this part and this part cancels out, so it remains ft, your cosec t x to pi by 2, so upper limit minus lower limit, this will be f pi by 2, your cosec pi by 2 is 1 minus your this is fx cosec x, fx cosec x. So f pi by 2, this value is 3, so this is 3 minus fx cosec x. This is your answer. You have got this. Now this is gx you have got here. Now next what I am going to we have to find this value. So this is your gx. Your gx is 3 minus fx by cos x, that is sin x. So here limit your x tends to 0, your gx, that will be 3 minus limit your x tends to 0 fx by sin x. Now here again this will be 0, so to remove this 0 I am going to apply L'Hospital rule. So when I apply L'Hospital rule, 3 minus limit x tends to 0 f dash x and your sin x, this is cos x. So here at x is equal to 0, f dash 0 is 1, x is equal to 0, f dash 0 is 1, and cos 0 is 1. So 3 minus 1 by 1, so this is 2 is your answer. So 2 is your answer. So here the main point is that I have to apply this. There are two functions. I have to apply this by parts. Now if I follow this rule, I will be unable to solve it because I do not know about f dash x. Here algebra and trigonometry, in this it is nothing given about your f dash t. So what so if you take this as the as your first function, then it will create a problem. So I have taken cosec t as the first function. When I solve it, so here you can easily solve it and you get the answer. So here this is the presence of mind you have to apply while solving such type of questions. This is what we call competition. Now look at this question. Here you see that your fx plus y is equal to fx plus fy plus x into y. So now let your y is equal to 0. Let me take y is equal to 0. So fx is equal to x plus f 0 plus this 0 into this will be 0. So from here I get fx minus fx is equal to f0. So 0 is equal to f0. So again you may ask that why I have taken let y is equal to y. So if I take y is equal to 0, this value becomes 0 and I get the value of f0. So when I get the value of f0, what happens that it will be helpful for me in this equation. It will be helpful for me in this equation. See how it is helpful to me. Fx is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. So this is x is equal to 0. This is 0 and this is 0 c. So your c comes out to be 0. So here your fx is equal to ax square plus bx. So now you can I think so it is clear for you why I have taken y is equal to 0. Because if when I take y is equal to 0, this part becomes 0 and by the help of it I get the value of f0. That means a type of elimination. That means I have eliminated, because f0 at x is equal to 0, f0 is 0. So I am able to eliminate this c constant, this c. So the only thing left is this. Now let y is equal to minus x. So what will be the profit I get x minus x. Here again this is 0, fx, and this is plus f minus x, and this is minus x square. I get this. So this is f0, and this is equal to fx plus f minus x square. So this value is 0, and here you see f0, fx, this is ax square plus bx, and if when it is minus x, it will be ax square and minus bx minus x square. So this and this cancels out. So here 0 is equal to 2ax square minus x square. So 0 is equal to x square common. So this is 2a minus 1. So your x is equal to 0. 2a minus 1 equal to 0. So a is equal to 1 by 2. So here you see I got, by taking y is equal to minus x, I am able to find out the value of a. Now when a and c, I have found out a and c. So a plus b plus c is equal to 3. Your a is 1 by 2, b and c is 0, 3. So your b is equal to 3 minus 1 by 2. So your b becomes 5 by 2. So ultimately I got the equation, that is fx, that is ax square. A is your half, that is half, that is your half, a is your half. So this is half x square, and your b is 5 by 2 x. So I have got this. So for this, if this is not x, this must be n, because here it is n. So if it is f n, this will be 1 by 2 n square plus 5 by 2 n. Now summation of this, summation of n is equal to 1 to 10, that is fn, sorry, this is n, this will be 1 by 2, summation of n is equal to 1 to 10 n square plus 5, again summation of 5 by 2, summation of n is equal to 1, this is your n, to 10, this is your n. Now here you see that this, I am going to calculate this. Here you see I am going to calculate it. That is your half summation of n square, that is your formula is n square. This will be n plus 1, 2n plus 1 by 6, the formula is this, and again 5 by 2, and summation of n plus 1 by 2. So here you see it is from 1 to 10, so your n value is 10. 1 by 2, this is 10 into 11 into 10, 21 by 6, and this is 5 by 2, this is 10 into 11 by 2. So here 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, and 3 7s are. So here 5 2s are 10. So here this will be 35 into 11 by 2 plus 5 10, 110 by 2. Now your 35 into 11, 5 3, 5 3, so 5 8 3. So this will comes out to be 2, 385 plus 110, this is 5 8 9 4, 495, 495. So this is n plus 1 by 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11 by 2. So here this is 5 by 2, this is comes out to be 5 2, 2 5s are 10, 11 21. So 2 5s are 10. Sorry. 35, 7 5s are 35, 7 5s are 35, So 5, 8, 3, 7 5s are 35, and here this is 10, 5 to 10, so this will be here this 2 to 55, 55 into 2, again that will be the same thing. So yeah. Here, oh, this is a mistake. Two fives are, two fives are. So this will be two fives are. That means your this will be 55 into 5. 5 fives are 25. 2 5 fives are 25. 275. So this will be 275. 275 by 2. So 385. So this is 0, 6, 6. So this will be 660 by 2. So your answer comes out to be 330. This is your answer. So this is how we solve these questions. So for the preparation of this JEE mains and advanced, I prefer you that at first of all you thoroughly complete your textbook. You thoroughly complete your textbook with all examples and exercise. At first you thoroughly complete your textbook, and then do maximum reference you available to you. Practice maximum reference available to you. If you practice the maximum reference available to you, then after that, if you solve the question last 10 years back questions, if you can solve last 10-year back question, then I think so that you will surely you will be able to crack this JEE mains or advanced competition.